Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've mixed up some Basics paint. I use Flotrol in some. I use Liquitex pouring medium in some. And some I used a little bit of both. And I used golden iridescent pearl. You shake this stuff up. Creates a lot of bubbles. This one's really going crazy reacting, and I put a little bit of that in there. And I also have white today. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to pour, instead of pouring dark in first, I'm going to pour light in first and do the dark last, since yellow and white are the heaviest, I think, of all these colors. I know that anytime something says cadmium in it, it is heavy. It's even heavier than white. So that's always going to sink to the bottom. I'm going to pour everything together. I'm going to layer everything in this cup gently. I'm going to be working on a 18 by 24 canvas. Here it is. I've painted around the corners, and in here I didn't paint this center part with I just mix up, I have a jar of paint that I have mixed up with Flotrol and stuff, and I put water on the back of my canvas as well to make it very tight. And I'm going to pour my paint into my cup. I guess I'll do that. Usually I don't do that on camera, but I think I will. I haven't been on here in so long. I don't know how to act. But thank you everybody that has subscribed and liked my videos. It's really a self-esteem boost. Okay, I'm back. For some reason my camera powered off, so I don't even know. Let me see how much of that you got, which really sucks. I'm using Basics paint, and I'll put the colors in the comment line, or whatever it is. I'm using golden airbrush. I put some of that in. I think that part got recorded. I'm just going to pour because it's ready to pour and I don't want to screw it up. And I have way too much paint. I can see that already. This is looking a little strange. I'm hoping it's doing what it's supposed to. We'll see. I had a pour that I made to put online, and it was so bad. It was like, I felt like I was damaged. So from that, so I actually haven't done anything in a while. And there's some lumps in there that are coming out, which is kind of bumming me out as well. I see a little bubbles popping, which is kind of cool. I did put some alcohol in there. I just have trouble getting cells without something. I'm going to tilt it. I'm going to try to be slow about it. That's what one of my major problems is not taking my time. Instant gratification. that yellow part towards the middle, so I'm going to go back this way a little bit. I think that the darker colors aren't moving as well. I don't know if I didn't, if they were too thin. I see a lot of bubbles popping, so that's kind of groovy. I don't have any corner catchers, so I'm gonna hold my hand there. Bring it back down. I don't know. I'm kind of getting some funky colors. I did pour the light in first. Maybe I should have done that differently. I do see some lumps in there though I kind of want to get rid of. Especially right here. Which I don't understand because I strained it. I'm thinking I might just, I have a little paint left in here and I don't want to lose all that color, so that'll make it move a little better. Let's see. I just don't want to lose all my color. I thought the yellow would sink to the bottom, but it's not. This is really crazy. This is not what I anticipated to happen because it looks like it's only yellow. There was a lot of yellow and white paint in there. I do have some pink. I guess I can't hurt it, huh? Shoot. And You guys can't see this, sorry. There's a lot of paint going off here. I'm not really liking it at all. I like this part up here, and that's about it. Now you guys can't see all this tilting I'm doing. I don't know if it's... It's different. Oh, I won't make that mistake again. I think it had a lot to do with how I poured it in the cup. Which kind of sucks, cause oh well. I've done worse. I've done better. I guess I'm just going to touch up the sides and I'm going to leave it. I'm going to, I don't think I'm going to torch it. Maybe that may make some kind of a difference. But in the future, I used way too much. I had a lot of yellow and a lot of white, and not the other colors I didn't have that much of. So I'm going to use less. Well, I'm going to manipulate it more. And off camera. I'm going to also torch it right now so you guys can see if it makes any difference. It's not great, but it's a lot of times when stuff happens like this and it's not exactly how I want it, I will throw it out, and things change a lot as it dries, as you all know. Especially when you're using Flotrol and Basics paint, because I had a painting I hated. And I know I've mentioned this before, and it was actually, now it's my favorite painting I've ever done. So I'm going to light my torch. And, see if I can get anything happening here. Yeah, if you go, I don't know, you guys can see that. I'm going to make it close up. Because when I hit certain areas, can you see all those cells that are happening? So that might help things out a tad. I don't like to get this close to the painting because I don't... When you get this close to the painting and you're getting that close, you can't do any tilting after that, because it just makes a mess. That's what happened last time, so. Wow. Well, it's looking better, I must admit. I think it's that alcohol that I put in there. I don't have really huge cells, but this just breaks up some color a little bit. Especially in there. That looks way better. Wow. Like I'm probably burning, I'm not burning it, but you know, you have to be, like I said, you have to be so careful. I actually set a painting on fire one time and when I first started. Kind of wanted to break up that pink, and that's what's happening. It's not so solid. Smoking, so you gotta be careful. This color over here is beautiful. You can't see it because I'm messing it up. That blue purple color I really love. And there's cells everywhere. It's really cool. I don't want to make too many actually. I've never had a problem with too many cells. I just want more in the red area. Well, I'm going to continue this off camera and then I'll show you the final results. I'm not doing any more tilting. I'm just going to hit this around like this. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, everybody. This is what I've come up with after I torched the heck out of it. It looks pretty cellular. Even the red, the pink part kind of get broken up, which is awesome. So let me give you a not in focus. I think it turned out pretty okay. I mean, it's not what I had in mind, but it never is it? Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.